Nah, that's there for a reason. I had a dream once that that truck actually fell off the jack in the stand and actually rolled into the gate. So the next day I got those blocks. Yeah, it looks bad, but it ain't bad. Oh, we even got wildlife over there. What she want? Shh, shh. Still dripping out, huh? I couldn't get the, what do you call it? Let's see. I can't tell where it is. I don't know right now. Oh, the spinner for the radiator here out, so I'm sure you can kind of tell where that went to. But yeah, it was about time. It hadn't been done since I don't know. Last time she did it was probably about 12 years ago, or maybe 15. I don't know. I've been having to drive it. You know what? I actually drove it 63 miles on a eighth of a tank, pretty close to it. Still dripping. Yeah, and yeah, because I left the house at a what do you call it? On a slightly below a quarter tank for SB out there, and for my security guard car training, and there's a new air filter, which you've seen before in one of the last videos. For the guard training I got back today, it was just above empty, averaging about 65-70 miles an hour, 5-speed. So my jacket for work there. Actually, let's turn that off, that light off. Yeah, so it's been a long time. Well, it's actually this one first, but Camaro's still there. I'm waiting for the search for more money. That one I got some from a place I actually used to work for back then, the old day job. Yeah, that's actually 50-50 also. Let me pause real quick. Let's see if I can sit you guys right here, hopefully. Don't fall down so you can see me actually working. You know what? I'm gonna use you guys to help me out here with this. See, I can barely see. But I can't see out there because my eyes are sensitive to light. Oh, damn, that's perfect. Come on, stay focused, light. Come on. Come on, don't move, don't move. Yeah, I couldn't get the spinner off of it on there. It's blocked in by the frame and stuff. So, come on. It's the longest screwdriver I had available, so. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause you guys. I gotta concentrate on this. Not appropriate footwear. But whatever. Carefully. Yeah, it dropped a little bit, but the rest of the world knows how it's going to be dealt with there, so. Alright. I was going to try that wrench right there to try taking it off the cover on the bottom. Yeah, whatever you call it. Yeah, good luck. So yeah, I did succeed in actually getting my security guard card a few weeks ago. Yeah, give me a second here with this. Oh, okay, cool. There we go. Hopefully you don't fall down in the engine. Stay. Yeah. Other than that, I've just been busy. I think it's probably about a 2-month class thing. I can't think how much it is right now. Yeah, she just reached 250,000 miles. Well, the cluster says 253 on it, but as I mentioned before when you first saw me putting it in, it's 3,000 miles difference from the original. And in the garage over there, I have the original still. I'm not going to bore you guys with any more of this. Like you haven't seen coolant change before. So, yeah, it's not fun. But what can you do right now? So, I better get going, guys. I had another one to do. I had another concentrate one in there, full concentrate if I need it. Box up there on the top by the Camaro. Yeah, that's the parts I took off of it right there and there. I'll bring that back. I'll bring that out for a review at a later time. You guys have a good day. Bye.